Good day, good day. This is my second day in the Songkran 2022 holiday. Today I am in the Uthai Thani province and I am standing outside the Hup Pa Tat tourist attraction. This is like a Jurassic Park of Thailand, and I am going to go inside and show you the ancient forest that this is. Actually, I was here last year, exactly the same time, but then it was a COVID closure, so I was here and then I had to turn back. But this year they are open and I'm going to go inside and see what kind of ancient plants and ancient animals that lives inside this ancient Jurassic Park of Thailand forest. But just a little bit, just before we go inside, I'm just going to show you this unique animal that is here, and it is the pink millipede. And this pink millipede can only be found here at the Hup Pa Tat ancient forest. So if I'm lucky, I will be able to show you this pink millipede. Let's go inside and have a look. So I just went through the entrance, and just when you go inside you get this flashlight also, because inside here you will enter a small cave before you are entering in the area where you see this ancient forest. So in case there are not so many tourists inside this cave, you need this flashlight. And this is the entrance to the cave where we must pass through before we get into the ancient forest. It's very dark inside, so I believe that this flashlight that I got in the beginning will come in handy. So let me turn on this flashlight. You see, this is how it works here. You get a flashlight to go inside this cave. Whoa, scary, right? So this place, Hup Pa Tat, is actually an old cave. Whose walls has fallen down. So it has created this special environment where you have a small cave, and then in this area you have the rest and the pieces of an old cave wall that has fallen down, creating this special environment for the plants and the animals that lives here. And it does indeed resembles this Jurassic Park nature. The name Hup Pa Tat is actually the name of this special kind of tree, the Tat tree that grows in abundance in this area. So wherever you go, you will see this Tat tree. So it's called a Hup Pa Tat, and the Hup is like a sinkhole where you have this Tat tree all over the place. And as you can see here, it is clearly visible that this was an old cave that has fallen down, because here you see the large stalactites, the remainings of an old cave, and every now and then there are some small holes that you can go inside and have a look, explore what's inside. You can actually tell that this place is an established tourist attraction, because there are very good pathway throughout the area, and they are building this like a viewpoint platform every now and then when you walk. And if you want to climb some walls, you can do that, but it's of your own risk, of course. And I believe that if you want to find one of these pink millipede, I think that you need to divert from the trail here and go inside the bushes to find one of these pink millipedes. And here in this cave you can clearly see the remains of an old cave with the stalactites and the stalagmites, as you can see. So this is an old cave that has fallen down, indeed. So this flashlight will also come in handy when you see small caves or some small opening when you walk in this area. And if you want to check it out, what's inside here, maybe you try to find the pink millipede. And obviously nothing inside here. This is a dead end. So let's go out again, and no millipede inside here. But it's good that you have a flashlight to explore every inch of this place in your search for the pink millipede. So I have now walked almost the entire area of this Hup Pa Tat, and yet I haven't found this pink millipede as it's shown here, because I think that I'm in the wrong season here. Because what they say here is that the pink millipede only comes out during the rainy season, and the peak of the rainy season is from August to November, and right now it is the hottest of all seasons. It is in April, so I think that the pink millipede is hiding somewhere in the ground here. So if I want to see one, I think I need to come back during the rainy season. So I just want to show you the surrounding of this area, and I believe that we are on the bottom of this huge cliff, the huge limestone cliff that this original cave was made out of, and that has fallen apart, fallen down, creating this Hup Pa Tat area. Okay, time to summarize this visit, and for me it does surely feels like I'm in the Jurassic Park setting because of this prehistorical plants that is around me everywhere, and it is quite cool down here, not as hot as outside of this area. And this is one of the must-see attraction when you are in the Uthai Thani province. And for the pink millipede, I haven't found any, I'm afraid. So I think maybe I have to come back in the rainy season to film one. And yeah, if you're in the Uthai Thani province, don't miss to come to this Jurassic Park of Thailand that this Hup Pa Tat area is. So until next time, see you later. Bye bye.